Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the Makers Creative Collab Hop. And it's hosted by Patricia and Mariah of Artsy Studio. And their Facebook group is Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists. And there you find all kinds of different artists, anywhere from making like canvases, all kinds of mixed media, different things, junk journals, just different things. Lots of fun talent up in there. And so this month for the hop, it's for the September, it's Get Squirrely. And so for mine, I just made like a little old tag. It's kind of like a fall theme, because when I think of squirrels, or around this time in September, I think of like fall. And so I'll probably end up putting this in one of my journals or something. I'm not real sure. Or I might even make it as like a cover for a journal. So basically, all I did was, first I drew this little squirrel and painted it. And then I drew some of these other little embellishments in here, like the little flower, and some of these other little things, pumpkin and acorn, different little things like that. And then I've got some moss on here, and I've got some cheesecloth, different fabric. I've got like muslin, and what else do I have on here? And for my patina, I just used like some broken jewelry. This used to be part of a necklace, and just added this little tool on here. And also this right here, this was part of this was from Judy P. Back when we did the Makers Creative Collab Hop for October, we did the spooky scrolls. She was my swap partner, and she made this gorgeous, let me just show you, thing right here, and look at the wonderful textures on there. And I just wanted to include some of that in there because it was such an honor to get to know her, meet her, and collaborate with her. And she also made this right here too, and then I used a little piece of it as well. And I just wanted to kind of add that in there. I still had leftovers from the package that she had sent back when we did the spooky scrolls. And so I added some of this here and some of this, because I thought the colors worked perfect, because it had like a forest kind of look to it, and like nature. And that's the theme that I'm kind of going for with Get Squirrely. So, but yeah, this is pretty much it. I didn't really do a whole lot. I just drew my stuff, just added some fabric, some little lace, and just layered it, and that's pretty much it. Short and sweet. Added a little button, and yeah. So make sure you check out the next collaborator, and I'll have a card up in the corner for the next person in the hop. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, my blog and social media sites. And also make sure you check out Artsy Studio, and you can check out their YouTube link and check out their Facebook group. And you'll find all kinds of fun, crafty ideas and things like that. So thank you guys so much for watching.